Brooks. In the 21, beside him is the number 7 of Connor Weaver. In the number 5 row, the 141 with the Rose Bridges. 12 8 beside him is the Lay Horn. The number 12 is now 6. Ryan Davis. Beside him will be the 33. Danica Ghana. And bringing up the rear in the 38 is Quentin Uterman. And beside him is the 240 of Gary Waits. Now, Rocky Ford, you gotta get with me. You gotta help them. It's getting late. I need a little fire. I need a little motivation. I need a little hoot and a holler. We're gonna line them up. You can show if you holler, you hoot, you stomp your feet a little bit. Come on, Rocky Ford, help me a little bit. That's a whole bunch of rednecks and they like a whole lot of noise. All right, I got the flag man up here. Just making sure everybody's good to go. Oh, they leave the flags poking out. Come on now. Come on, come on, come on. I'm ready to see some racing. Look at it, look at it.
jump in the driver's seat.
I will drive. Oh, they go right in there. Nobody behind us. Nobody behind us. 20 left. Go, go.
20 to go.
Work.
Are we ahead of Johnny?
Easy. Okay. Go ahead.
Are we ahead of Johnny?
Yep, we're ahead. We passed him once.
Anybody behind us?
No, wait, let these guys go. Nobody behind us. Go. Hey, Quincy, everybody, he's still sitting. Nobody behind us. He's the only guy going every which way. It looks like a normal day at Denver, Colorado. Nobody behind us.
I'll cut that inside next time if I need to.
Cut it, go. Island up.
Pushed out over here.
Go.
Still getting back out here.
Oh yeah, we're going. Oh yeah, help them out a little bit, Rocky Ford. Give him a little love. Oh yeah. Go. We're good. Okay, we're good. Coming short like we did. Short. Yep. Stay right here, we're in first. Emily, she's cruising along out there, looks pretty good. That's well, hey. Emily's going pretty Smart driving. What? Smart driving. Keep going. Stay away from the start. Go ahead, we're ahead of them a long ways. We're that father's leg down. It's like, okay, we're ahead of them. We're ahead of them. We're ahead of everybody. Let these guys chill with each other. Go. That's the second time it's down. There's nobody behind us. Let it go. Nobody behind us. Nobody behind us. We're clear. You guys are piling it up, so doing good now. We're doing good. There you go. Keep going. Yep. Nobody behind us. Go ahead. Go. Halfway. Now you just gotta keep it together. Keep going. Now we got somebody coming up on a bus. Go. Okay, we're good. Nobody behind us right now. Go ahead. Got it, shoot. Go. Okay, go. Right behind us, go. Short. They're right on our ass. Who is it? Take the short. Who is it? I don't know. Orange cars. Here, fella. Stop that. Yep, go. You're right on our ass. Let him go. Let him go. We're still ahead, right? We're ahead, yeah, we're ahead. Let him go. Right. Let him go. Well, he's still going on. He's still ahead. Go right behind. Yeah, for me. Are you ready? Yeah. Okay, they're coming back. Go. Keep going. Go. Yeah. Got 3 feet out of it. Red. You got a red What? Well, maybe the ambulance is still going. Go ahead, keep going. Outside, take it outside, bud. The Nichols brothers is still going. Yeah, we still got it. We're still moving. We're still moving. Follow us.
We don't have anybody else, right?
Nobody else. Nobody else.
I'll pass them. I'll pass them at the end if I can.
Wait. Don't pass it yet. Don't pass it yet. Stay behind them. Stay behind them. Keep going. Stay up on our house.
Nobody behind us?
Nobody behind us. It's just those three. We're the only three on the track. Go. You have to go. Let's go. Let them murder it out. We'll get to the kill. We'll get to the kill here. Go. Stay on there. Just stand so you can have Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. We got a one flag. We got a one flag. This is us. This is us. You got it. Stay on your back. We enjoyed you. We hope you enjoyed the show. We look forward to seeing you next year. With myself and all the crew, Kyle Haracotta, please do us a favor. Drive safe. Enjoy the rest of the Arkansas Valley Fair. Yeah! See ya.